Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Revolut Saving Vaults, a feature designed to help you save money and reach your financial goals. To get started, you need to have a Revolut account. If you don't have one, sign up and download the Revolut app. First, let's define what a saving vault is. A saving vault is a digital savings account within your Revolut app, where you can set aside money for specific goals, such as a vacation, a car, or a down payment on a house. To create a saving vault, open the Revolut app, navigate to the Savings tab, and tap on Create a Vault. Choose a name for your vault, and set a target amount. This can be a specific amount or a percentage of your income. You can also set a deadline for reaching your goal. Once you have created your vault, you can start adding money to it. You can do this by transferring funds from your main Revolut account, or by setting up a recurring transfer. You can also round up your purchases and add the spare change to your vault. One of the key benefits of using a saving vault is that it helps you to separate your savings from your everyday spending money. This makes it less likely that you will dip into your savings for non-essential purchases. Another benefit is that you can earn interest on your savings. Revolut offers a competitive interest rate on its saving vaults, which can help your money grow over time. To make the most of your saving vault, it's a good idea to set a realistic target and deadline, and to make regular transfers to your vault. You can also use the Revolut app to track your progress and stay motivated. In addition, you can use the budgeting feature in the Revolut app to get a clear picture of your income and expenses, and to identify areas where you can cut back and save more. In conclusion, Revolut saving vaults are a powerful tool for saving money and reaching your financial goals. By following these steps and using the features and benefits of the Revolut app, you can take control of your finances and achieve financial stability.